Saturday, 12th of April. Weather starts to get better and better. It's weather. Probably the temperature now is around 13 degrees Celsius. Still cold, but it will go up around 22 today. We will just be having a chill ride because birthday boy Billy, our clubmate and inaanak, this is Regent's Park, by the way. The outer circle is probably around nearly 3 miles, so it's a good loop with a bit of minimal elevation to push you to your limits if you're into high intensity. Steady climb, the Rich Lane. Bahay. Ilonganin. There, Golders Green now. Lamig pa. We still have arm sleeves and gilet. Lamig pa siya, pero later on it will be warm. Oh, mga manyakis. Ayos, ang gusto ko sa'yo, pre.
Ng mga damit.
Ayan. Basta Oro. Ito. Ano yung pre? 50-34? Ayos. Yan.
Talaga tayo, di ay lang.
Pang climb. Oh, rotor pa yan, men.
Ganda.
Binibenta sa mga hindi...
Mga, sige. Murang naman ito, presyong.
Killer na mga thunders to eh. Pre, ay susidan! Angko!
Bata mo. Hindi mo sinabi bata mo.
Sabi na may appointment. Ayan!
Lumalabas. Medyo, kala ko nagtala ka ng import. Kala ko si Holy Ghost yun.
Holy Ghost! Ay, pre! Happy birthday to you!
Ano pre, ulita. Okay ba? Birthday ba sir?
Happy birthday, pre! 30 ka na, magpakabait ka na! Clear! Ayan na. Anong pangalan mo, pre?
June.
June. Heming pala.
Napasubok kong
sumama. Ako din eh. Kala ko PW ride to, hayop.
pangatlo ito para winter na labas ko.
Hol! Asol! Ang pogi talaga. Pare, next time magbra ka ha.
Pangilang kayo lang.
Ayan o. Very good weather. Oh, there.
Ba't nataling?
Ayan na. Hot. Dying.
Na naman. Mamaya,
Taka 20 na. Shit! It's a miracle! Ayos, pre.
ayoko nang sabihin yung magic word.
Penitensya. Woo! Okay nga, forever yung pahinga.
Kaya nga.
Forever pahinga yan. Pagka dyan ka na magpahinga.
Pag gusto niya kami.
Sarap! Ubos. Hill. Oh dear. Nice. Ubos. Down.
Doon tayo. Rest muna. Pakaitin muna.
Hey bro.
Ayun na. Baka ka, hindi ka naman.
Oh pre, ano? Ano sabi mo?
Ito na. Ha? Yummy,
yan.
pare, yummy. Ganito
Birthday. Basta birthday ride, masakit.
Ay, kilala ko yung balit na yan.
Bago yun ah. Sa tayo, babalik ko, dediretso.
Simula na mga ligaw-ligaw. Ha?
Tingigan na napag...
Kunti na lang. Pero para 15 miles, puro Swinstein yan.
Lima pa. O balik pa tayo. Para 15 na lang balikan.
Mas madali nga. Uwi na ito. Saway tayo. Uwi na tayo.
Right on.
Ayos lang?
Ayos. We're here at Alexandra Palace. Ikaw ba may dahilan nito? Bakit gusto mong ganitong ride?
Hindi, ano lang. Papainit.
Ayun o. Idol mo resit amo ng puwit.
Laking tulong.
We're going downhill Alipali. I mean, it's well here. Nice. I'm on top of Hampstead. Oh. Okay. Lots of cherry blossoms. I don't know if it's cherry blossom, but it looks lovely this time of the year. Lover boy! Ganda ng cherry blossoms. Nice! Grabe. Good. 1,000 meters. Oh, really nice Saturday. Sarap. As kain. On in. Getting steeper and steeper. Yung 32 Pro pre, naging 30.5 na lang. Spanish Road. This is Hampstead Heath. That's why there's loads of trees reserved. We're here at the pond. Ayan o, Regine assisting Bert. Ayos! Well done, Bert! Ta, diretso! Kapit-kapit lang! Kapit-kapit lang! Ah. Ha? Wala, matibay. Matibay. Pinaghandaan ako talaga. That's a 80-kilometer ride, probably 85-kilometer ride. And we will be finished by 12, hopefully. It's 11:47 now. And everything is downhill now. No more climb. We did 1,000 meters, around 3,000 feet perhaps. So it's all downhill and it is fun. Woo! After all the hard work and the pace, you need to keep up with the young lads. If you're really training, yeah, go ahead. It's really good to join strong group. And my next target is to shed some more weight. Gravity is real on climbs. Shout out pala sa Manre Boys. Manuel, Dennis, Carlo, Michael, Jobu, John, Roland, Trito, and Alan in the United States. Carlo, enjoy your holiday, man. Pakarami ka, man. Enjoy life while it lasts. That's the motto now. We are golden and we just need to enjoy life. Less stress, hopefully, but stress is part of life, so it's just how you play it, how you play with fire, how you play with it. That's the secret. Ilang taon na si panganay, Mards? 5 na. Magaan? R5 yan, men.
R5, ano yan eh?
Social yan.
Ay, ang ganda na shit. Ganda na
27
Ano yan? S-Works. S-Works o ano? Power Evo.
VI ito. Hawakan mo.
Power Evo.
Baka may-ari.
Ayan, no? Pre, masarap to sa puwet.
165 to.
Hindi.
165.
Enjoy kayo sa puwet.
165 yan.
Ano sa P6?
Pansit na pampahaba ng buhay. Hindi pa pala training yun. Ayan, no?
Chill pa lang yan.
Chill.
Charap yun, kung dire-diretso. Ano, pre? Ayop yan.
Tapos, para mas malakas na lagyan mo ng langis yung kadena dito. Para,
Thank you, pre. Marge, thank you very much. See you soon.
Jen, thank you ha.
Jin, enjoy ha.
Lads, nakapagod.
Hey. Last, I'm home. Tomorrow, recovery ride tomorrow.